Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can color grade on CapCut PC. Go to the video here and go to adjustments. Go to adjust, and here you can kind of change the temperature. If you want it cooler, you're going to slide it to the left. If you want it to be warmer, slide it to the right. And you can also adjust the tint here if you want the green to show up a little bit more. As you can see, for me it's a little bit too bright on the highlights, so I'm just going to turn it down just a little bit, and kind of the exposure as well. And I'm just going to really adjust it. I'm going to add in a little bit of contrast. I'm going to sharpen it a little bit, and you can adjust it to your liking. There's also LUTs that you can choose from. There's a bunch online for you to choose from, and you can adjust this and the curves and the color wheel, but it's totally up to you, like how you want to like color grade your videos according to like what kind of vibe it gives off. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.